If you're wondering if Amina Muaddi heels are worth the money, I'm going to be reviewing her heels and letting you know everything. These shoes are called mules and they are sandals as well. I got them in the color pink. They have a beautiful design, which are the straps, and they are embellished with small studs. The shoe in specific is very easy to recognize because it has the heel, and as you guys can see, it's plastic and you can see right through it. This sandal in specific is more stable than a stiletto. If you're starting out with heels, this specific style and wedges are going to be your best friend. I wouldn't suggest stilettos. The sandals are perfect for summer and spring. You can dress them up or dress them down. These are pajamas and I wear those heels with my pajamas to go out, and I also wear it with jeans. You can also wear them with a skirt, with a dress. They're very versatile and you can really get a lot of looks from the sandals. The shoes are a little bit pricey. I wouldn't say a little, but they are considered luxury shoes. These shoes can go for close to $1,000, maybe more. For these in specific, I ended up paying a few hundreds, in the very low hundreds, because they were on sale. And like always, my size was the last size and the shoes were the last shoes on the website. I had wanted them for a really long time. I had seen them at the store and I didn't want to pay the price on the tickets, so I said I'll just look online. When they go on sale, I'll get them, and I was fortunate enough and I got them, and I am so happy with the quality of the shoes. So the shoes are made in Italy. They are made out of leather, and one of the things I noticed about the heel is that the strap in the front, it tends to glide off a little bit. I have little toes, so if you have longer toes, I don't think you're gonna run into that issue, but that was one thing. And then this strap really holds my foot in place. They fit very nice. They run true to size. Quality wise, I do think they are very durable. Usually with these shoes, if you take care of them, they're going to last you more. I believe it's because they're made out of leather and because she invests on really good materials, but the shoes are beautiful and definitely worth the splurge. This sandal specific, they have tons of other colors. One of the shoes I really like from her are the pumps that also have this heel in the back. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. The shoes are also very easy to walk in, and that's a huge plus. I've worn these to go out to lunch, I've worn them to go out to dinner, and I'm fine. I think they are very comfortable and very stylish and very classy. For me, they are just perfect. I would love a pair in other colors. The shoes are sold at Saks, My Teresa, I believe Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's. You can get them on a ton of stores, or what you could do is directly go to those big retailers and look for Amina Muaddi. She has a table for her, and there you can check out the shoes and you can try them on yourself. Pros of the shoes: they are very easy to walk in, they're beautiful, and they fit perfectly. This brand does have discounts, so you're able to find them at a discounted price online or at the store. For me, the main con would be the strap and also the price point, because if you like them and they just came out, you're gonna be paying a significant amount of money for the shoes unless you wait. I hope you subscribe. Feel free to browse through my catalog of playlists. I recently went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia, and I'm uploading those videos. I give you lots of tips on where to go, the excursions that I went on, what to eat, an overview of the cruise itself, its restaurants, and I think you're gonna love it. I also have other travel playlists like Dubai and the Mediterranean. I hope you subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, and I also make lifestyle videos. Okay, now, bye.